I am here at the bus station of Bissau, trying to find a bus to Ziguinchor in Senegal. I have to drink water out of these little plastic bags here. This is a place where I need to go from Bissau to Ziguinchor. We are at the border between Guinea-Bissau and Senegal. This is our car here. So this says stop, we're at the border. I don't know what's going on now. Everyone got out of the car. Guys, I'm in Senegal, country number 88. Passport control was very easy. Side of Guinea-Bissau, they just wrote my name in the book. There was no stamp even. Apparently that was not the border of Senegal. This is Senegal. Senegal. T'as permis de conduire? I was planning to stay here for one night, but apparently there's a strike which will last for 10 days, starting tonight. So the plan to go to Gambia tomorrow is not a good plan. So I'm trying to leave. It's fucking hot here. Trying to leave today. And I made a friend on the last bus. She's from Senegal, and we're trying to get a car now. She's negotiating hard because they're asking a lot of money. Let's see if we make it. Little update. I'm having a coffee here because I really had to cool down. There were too many discussions there to find a car, too expensive, people fighting, and in the end I was like, fuck this, I'm taking my bag and I'm out of here. I'll find a solution tomorrow, so in the end I'm just gonna stay here for the night. It's already pretty late as well. Super tired, I'm full of dust, and we'll find a solution tomorrow, I'm sure. Good morning, guys. I just woke up here in Senegal and I'm going to give it another try to go to Gambia. And indeed, there is a strike and there is nothing running.